Hey guys, this is round 2 of site inspections. Today we're going to be looking at Secrets Tulum. This is an all-inclusive, adults-only resort. Here is the lobby where they served us our welcome drink. It was a hibiscus tea. It was so good. While we were waiting for the tour to start, we took a look at the bar that was in the lobby and also snuck a peek at one of the pools. This view is so gorgeous. I'll try to get a little bit closer so you can see it better, but I'm sure we'll go downstairs so we can take a look at it more. So here's one of the areas where they do weddings, events, receptions, all kinds of stuff. This was so beautiful. Here is another bar. They had these really cute swing chairs, and here is one of the pools as well. Next, we arrive at their wellness center. Here is the lobby. Right here is where you could customize soaps and body scrubs. It was super cool. The wellness studio is made up of 3 parts: the gym, the spa, and the salon. The first part that we stopped at was the gym. All of the cardio machines were facing outside towards the tree line, which was so beautiful. This is a small part of the spa. They had ice bath, saunas, the jacuzzis, a warmed pool. It was really beautiful and just so relaxing down there. They also had this area with snacks, granola, teas, and their specialized drinks. The last part of the wellness studio is the salon part. You can get your nails, toes, your hair done here. Now on to the room that we got to see here. It was so beautiful. This is the bathroom. The shower was huge. It was absolutely amazing. There was 2 sinks in the bathroom, and then just going around actually into the bedroom, it was so nice. You're going to take a look at a view in just a second. It was so beautiful. Here is that view. One of the cool things that this hotel has is all of their rooms are facing the pool, so you don't have to worry about having a parking lot view. Here is the bath on the deck area, and again, here's that gorgeous view. Another cool thing about this resort is that it had its own beach club, so we ended up getting into the shuttle and driving down to the beach club. As we arrived, this is the lobby. There was fruit-infused water there that we could get, a fan, nice little waiting area. It was very tropical. I absolutely loved this walk. It felt like you're almost going through the jungle. It was super nice, and then you emerge onto the beach club. While we were there, we got to try 3 of their most popular snacks that they serve at the restaurant. Here is one of the beach club rooms. It was really nice, super cozy. There you have their mini bar, the coffee machine. Here's your bed. You have to get cute little amenities. And when you go upstairs to here, this is your bathroom. After looking at that room, we got to go back on the beach and go up on this rooftop area to see this gorgeous view of the beach. And that's it for Secrets Tulum. Next, we're going to be taking a look at Lula and La Zebra.